how you inspire Gen Zs, millennials, and people of all age and generations.
Thank you.
As a producer, as a serial entrepreneur, and whatnot. And you have actually created this show, executive produced it. But I want to ask, why a talk show?
Why not a talk show? First, I think, ma'am, you just said something and I heard it backstage saying, all these shows that you did gave a lot of love. Mine might give a lot of hate also. So just putting it right in the beginning.
Hard to believe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one is I did talk shows many years. I mean, this is before Amazon existed in India. I was on television.
We love them all.
Yeah. So, and I just felt like the talk show format never changed. There's been many big stars that have done it. They have different languages.
Yeah.
But the idea of what a talk show is hasn't changed in India as a format. And this was Amazon coming, so I said, okay, the whole world is going to watch. There's about 240 countries that are watching at the same time.
Yeah.
And let's try something fun.
Yeah.
And thank you for allowing me to do this.
Yeah, always. 240 countries and territories. Can we hear a huge round of applause for that? Yeah, Prime Video is bringing to so many places. Wow. I've actually learned that last night when I was reading that. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, so as I started, you've donned many hats. You know, we all know about it. Now you're also, you have also created this show and you just spilled some beans that, you know, India has been watching a similar format of talk show. You have a very unique and interesting perspective. One, you're friendly, and two, you just know how to just bring that thing. So tell me, what can we... No, bring that information.
Oh, okay. Just be clear, ma'am, fully.
Yeah.
I'm getting misunderstood too many times nowadays.
Even clear ga okay. How is the show different from other talk show?
How is this show different from all the talk shows? How am I different from everybody else? So I think that's where it all starts.
Wow.
See, I think there's so much happening, whether it's on social media, whether it's on OTTs, or we just have an overload of information coming.
That's true.
And but yet at the same time, there's very little that is honest, very little that is real. There's always a facade, whether it's, I mean, definitely for actors, there's a lot of it. Whether it's an actor, whether you're an influencer, whether you're even a journalist, there's a certain facade that you have to take and go forward to the world. ఇప్పుడు ప్రెస్ మీట్ వస్తున్నాం ఇలా పద్ధతిగా బిహేవ్ చేయాలి లేకపోతే ఇలా 4 క్వశ్చన్లు అడగాలో ఫిక్స్ అయ్యి వస్తాం అవన్నీ లేకుండా ఇఫ్ యు వర్ జస్ట్ పీపుల్ వాట్ వుడ్ దట్ బి అండ్ దట్స్ రియలీ వాట్ ద టాక్ షో ఇస్ అబౌట్ సో ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ ద రానా దగ్గుబాటి షో సో హెన్స్ వీ డోంట్ నో ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ అ టాక్ షో ఆల్సో
ఓకే సో ఐ హర్డ్ more honesty, more uniqueness, the freshness, and of course the friendly perspective, and also something different that India has not seen earlier. I'm actually growing koddiga impatient anpistundi. Like rest of us, I'm actually intrigued to see a little more. Can we at least see a peek into the trailer?
For sure. Firstly, before you guys see the trailer, I have to thank a bunch of people.
Yeah.
First, Amazon Prime. In Amazon Prime, Padma, who has bared the brunt to all the torture that I showed her. అంటే కొత్త ఫార్మాట్ చేయాలని ఫార్మాట్ లేకుండా ఏదో వెళ్తా ఉన్నాం బట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ పద్మ ఫర్ గెటింగ్ దిస్ టుగెదర్ అండ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ది ఎంటైర్ టీమ్ ఎట్ స్పిరిట్ మీడియా ఊరికే పేరుకి నాది ఏదో ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ ఉంటుంది కానీ బట్ ఇట్స్ ద టీమ్ దట్ డిడ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఐ జస్ట్ కేమ్ హియర్ జస్ట్ స్టార్టెడ్ టాకింగ్ టు మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ లైఫ్ వెంట్ ఆన్ సో హియర్స్ అ పీక్ అర్థం కాలేదు అసలు ఏమి
They said they're speechless. Wow.
షాక్ అయినట్టుంది ఓకే
Yeah.
Yes ma'am, what next?
That's so unique actually, you know. Like you said, it's something different that India has not watched before, and of course you never under promise, you have delivered what you've promised. Thank you. But you know, as both creator and host of this show, how did you balance the creative vision in bringing their candid and real side of the conversation out into the show?
See, first, my life is quite colorful and entertaining. And everything that I do is very fun because I work in the movies.
Wow.
We are part of telling stories. We make comic books. We make sometimes other things that can't be spoken on stages. But still, so I thought if I just use a piece of all of that in my life and bring a show to you, which is very, very authentic and real, I thought that's the easiest way to go. So I'm not creating anything. I'm almost just showing what I can show you guys.